In Igbo land, titles are a thing of pride. It is used to distinguish great men from commoners. A titled man is either an Uze, Ozo, Ichie, or Eze. To distinguish one titled man for the other, they are given an accompanying title tag. These tags are usually interesting, thought-driven, symbolic, and meaningful. Here are some of them. Ononeni, a mighty and a wealthy man. Nwakibeya, a child greater than others. Ake Ushionwa, someone that shines brighter than others. Omega Naya, he who is like his father. Nwafen Naya, if a man serves his father, he becomes a king. Opolo Okalisia, the tallest of all. Afunwa Elotanu, a reminder of his father's might or deed. Ochendu, the shelter of life. Ogwagu, the destroyer of lions. Ekweme, he who always fulfills his promise. Ifeanyi, nothing is impossible. Nwa Chinemere, a child God does things for or cares for. Nze Kopulan, Ifadinjo, when noblemen look away, the land is led to ruin. Ose Oji, alligator Pepe. Ogbuefi Osife, the destroyer of cows, has shown us light. Ogbuo Odobolo, he who kills and takes captive. Onwa Netilor, the sun that shines for all. Ochili Ozuo, a helper, especially with the less privileged. Adore, the community's famous daughter. Noah, the community's mother of substance. Okosisi, the great tree. Ebubedike, the glory of a warrior. Aka Jimba, the people's life wire. Okpozo, a technocrat. Akwa Apollo, the unshaken. Nze Ugonabo, complete greatness. Feel free to comment your favorite Igbo title tag in the comment section. I remain Nze Soprishuku. Keep watching our name.